Now for the blue veins that are in the legs. We also use a lower concentration of the same sort of solution. We'll inject that with the vein light. The vein light will show us very clearly in a darkened room. We can see exactly where the vein is, and we take a small 30 gauge needle and we can inject it. It's really kind of fun to do, because as we inject the foam solution into the vein, it disperses the blood that's in the vein, and so there for a few instants it completely disappears, and the vein appears to be gone. Unfortunately, it refills with blood, and we have to go through the process of making it heal by compression and walking and healing that. Now we have a third type of sclerotherapy that we use on the tiny red ones that's normally called spider veins. Once the feeder veins or the cause of the spider vein has been eliminated, then we can treat the spider veins, the little tiny red ones that people have, with injections. It's been a problem in the past that people have had these injected with normal saline, which is very painful when the veins come back. That's because the technology has not been there to find and treat the reticular veins or the feeding veins that's causing them. But once those are treated, then we can address the little red spider veins. And with our cross-polarized light technique, we can visualize them very well. And we put a tiny little 30 gauge needle in and inject them with glycerin. And the glycerin is another sclerosing agent. I like to use it for the spider veins because it's less painful and we have less side effects, as in that we don't have skin discoloration, we don't have matting, and all the problems that are usually associated with sclerotherapy are virtually eliminated with this glycerin solution. In fact, when we do have problems of matting being tiny little veins, thread-like veins that appear sometimes after sclerotherapy, we can treat it with this glycerin solution, and it allows that to go away. And this glycerin solutions, we can also treat veins on the face and other places as well.